In this video, we will see how to apply animation using text reveal effect in Canva. So let's start this video. Open a blank video page. Go to Elements. In the search box, search for Paris. Let's select this image. Let's place it here and increase its size up to the size of page. Click on text, add a heading. Add heading like Paris. Change its font to Anton. Now change its font color. Let's select white color. Increase its size like this. Click on Effects. From here select Style, Lift. Increase its intensity. Now download this as PNG. It's downloaded now. Upload the downloaded image. Right click and set image as background. Again go to Elements. Let's select this aeroplane. Click on BG remover to remove its background. Place it here. Rotate and place it here. Increase its size like this. Now place it here. Now click on Elements, then Shapes. Let's select this shape. Place it here. Increase its size like this. Up to aeroplane. Increase its size. Now change its color. Now duplicate this. Reduce its size. Now place it here. Rotate. Similarly, place it on other side after duplicating this and rotate. Right click, click on layer, then bring to front. Now select these and group them. Now bring it to the right side and ungroup them. Now increase this size like this and select aeroplane and group them all. Select all this and group them. Now duplicate the page. Click on text. Add heading. Add some text from font. Increase its size. Now from here change font color. Click on Animate. Select baseline. Now select up arrow and reduce speed. Reduce this time as well. Duplicate this and place it after first one. Now change its text. Now bring this plane like this. Now click on page animation. Select match and move. Increase duration. Now when you run, it will work like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.